Well, we've had another great day. We used the 15-minute chart today. We thought that was an appropriate idea. Try to use that 02 to 05 as the buy zone and see if there was anything left in new targets as higher highs. And first target we felt would be the 12 area, 12 and a half or so. And secondary target would be the weekly T1 at 1575. So at lunch we thought we'd get a contra, got a fairly good sized contra, certainly not a rabid dog day when you get a contra like that, but it was a measured move and we felt the right buy zone would be coming back into that 5 to 7 zone. Anybody bought 7s, sit with it and see if you could go retest the double top. We like this 3 area for buying this morning. That was T1 basically today, so we thought matched up pretty well with our 15-minute Globex chart. And on the pushback, we thought coming into the middle range, that was the buy zone. If it worked, could get another little squeeze, test the highs. Obviously, we've got to stay above that 875 as a key area. And part of today's thinking was don't get too excited about a big move long side. Just look to see if there was anything left going forward, especially from the 120 chart, which you can see the blue line still supportive. And this is a nice end of day profit taking swing the way we look at this. Most traders should have their work done by now, and profit taking coming in for the closing. We observed that the 10 area was last year's unfilled target at the end of the year when we stalled, and that goes to show the power of risk and reward. When we stalled at that 88, 75, 89 area, the one last target for the year that we had as a potential was the 61% extension, which completed at 2110.08. And that one was what we felt we were trying to explore and test the last couple of days. Volume's been drying up, yet we've been making higher highs. We can see how this significant area back at the 70s held, pushed out, we came out the top, and really the pattern has been bullish ever since we've come out the top and broke that head and shoulders potential look once we got above 72s. We call this a multiple breakout, an MBO, because we've taken out all of the highs and we're starting to make newer highs. So we felt that this was significant once we got above the 72 and held that. And then we've gone through the secret code and talked about key turning points. Actually, the 14 and a quarter is a significant resistance zone that we're now hitting. And once we get above that, then we've got others. So we pay attention to them step by step, and we reviewed that today, where we were and the significant points that we had as turning points, especially right here at that 30 to 31 a quarter. We made a big deal about that, and so far that's also still intact. Reminder, the year open was 55. We're above that. So rather than just try to beat our heads against a brick wall and call short, we acknowledge that we're in nosebleed territory, but the trend has been up. So you try to buy pullbacks and see if you can get a little bit with some momentum to the long side. Loved our 60-minute chart for support. Notice today not a lot of action below the 05. So we felt that that would be supportive in an attempt to get to that 12 to 15 target, and anything above that was good fortune. Reminder, we've got a special going on, the Reinvent Yourself special. If you know someone that could benefit from this type of analysis, I'd appreciate your passing it along to them. If your analysis is as good or better, then perhaps we should be studying with you. It's priced affordably, so anybody can afford to do that. If you're looking to pick up a second occupation, you want to learn how to trade, you want to find something to do in retirement, or add to income that you already make as a first job, we're creating a program that will help you do that. Contact us at admin.emonywizard.com, and if we can help you or any of your friends, would love to do that. This is E signing off, and hope you had a great day. See you again tomorrow.